Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we'll be making croutons. Croutons make a great addition to a soup or any salad, and there's many different ways to make them. This is my favorite way to make them, so let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. Now before we get started on the ingredients, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Now we are going to need 3 cups of bread of your choice. I like to use a nice crispy baguette. I think it has more flavor than a standard white bread. And I like to leave it out for a day so it starts to crisp up and starts to dry out. We also need 3 tablespoons of butter melted, half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1/4 of a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Now we want to place our cubed bread inside a large bowl, and we're just going to go everybody in the pool. Our bread, our butter, our minced garlic, our Italian herbs, our onion powder, garlic powder, our Parmesan cheese. We're just going to toss this all together. Now we're going to give one a taste just to adjust the seasoning. Couple cracks of salt and pepper, and we're going to give this another toss. Next we're just going to dump out our croutons onto our baking sheet in a nice even layer. We're going to bake these for 10 to 15 minutes. Now if your croutons aren't dried out like mine were, then you're going to go a little bit longer, closer to the 15-minute mark. So we're going to place these in and we're going to keep an eye on them. Now halfway through we're going to give these a little stir just to help start to crisp up the other side. We're going to place them back in for a few more minutes. Now these are done. I'm going to throw these into a bowl and we're going to get a taste. Alright, let's get a bite of these croutons. They're super crispy. They're loaded with flavor. Yeah, give me a minute. These are really good. Like I said, they have lots of flavor from the Parmesan cheese, the garlic, the herbs, the onion powder, garlic powder. These will complement the salad or in a soup very well. Hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button if you're new to the channel. Subscribe. If you're interested in the outdoors, I have an outdoor channel. I'll drop a link in the description. You can also support the channel on Patreon. I'll drop a link for that as well. We'll see you guys in the next one.